So moving to code real-time, one big news here is that the manual layout for diagrams that we have had for some time and also demoed it in previous sprint demos is now declared non-experimental. So except for some bug fixes, we have also improved it in this sprint so that when you move or resize a nested symbol, the parent symbol automatically gets resized. So that makes that scenario slightly easier than before, where you had to do this in 2 steps. And we also have introduced graphical warnings in case moving around symbols would lead to graphical ambiguities on how to interpret the diagram. Then there is a new extension that you can download from the marketplaces, which helps you code real-time and the art language by working on exercises. So it's like enablement kind of extension. And we've also improved the command line art compiler so that it has a new clean option, which makes it possible to do a clean build from the command line. Previously, this was missing, and it was only possible to do clean builds from the UI. And then there are a bunch of code generator improvements. I will not go into the details of all of them. I can say that most of these were found when working on exporting model real-time models. We found some limitations and bugs mostly in the art compiler that now have been fixed. And then there is a big exciting news that actually applies both for code and model real-time, which makes it possible to capture traces from a running application in a new format. .arttrace, and that format has built-in support in code real-time so that you get syntax coloring and control click navigation, but also it's possible to visualize such traces in a sequence diagram in code real-time. So you can capture the trace, for example, in model real-time, but then go to code real-time for visualizing it graphically.